Hello from Lavender area. Today I'll be exploring one of the special malls in Lavender area. There will be the Golden Mile Tower. I'm not sure you guys heard of it, but it's a very old school mall and also Thai restaurant there. Let's go. So these are the HDB areas along the beach road. A lot of construction going on here. But the construction brain job for the front workers, and they are building something, a condo here, something with no name mark. Residence, retail, medical, suites and office. We'll be arriving in just a few more meters. This is a bus stop of the Golden Mile complex. Yeah, actually last time this part, right? This area where the condo is building. No, Golden Mile complex is still a bit in front. Yeah, they are really developing it. And that side, right, is the Golden Mile food center. Okay, my mistake, guys. They are actually redeveloping the Golden Mile complex to become the Golden Mile. Similar name. I think it's some kind of apartments and shopping over there, retail side. This is quite big, you know, this area. There's a hotel travel dine right here. Remind me of the name Valentine. Wow. Let me check it out. Okay, there's a hot water dispenser. Insert 20 cents to activate, set temperature and press start and stop. And there's a vending machine. Oh, this one is Maggie Mee, you know. All this. Wow, there's about 8 vending machines here. Such convenient for the hotel guests and the public. I juice is my favorite. $2. And the Golden Mile Tower is just here. I think it's a kind of kopitiam over there. Let's show you guys the front signage. 黄金大厦 looks nice, right? And right here, I mean, there are a lot of tours going to Malaysia, like JB and so on. Now the red color bus is one of the tour bus going to like KL. Lots of smokers right here. And show the other signboard right here in front. 黄金瑞记 Golden Mile Tianki Steam Food Restaurant. Fueled by union gas. And there is the car park area. So thanks everyone for watching this little tour on the Golden Mile, the walk to Golden Mile Tower from Lavender area. If you enjoyed the video so far, give a thumbs up, subscribe and like the video so that more people can get to find the video. Thanks very much and see you guys in the next video. Sayonara, bye bye.